What's up, guys? It's Rios Financial. Today we're going to talk about some reasons why the investors do not care about the Fed pumping in $700 billion into the stock market a couple of days ago. I'm going to give some reasons why and some of my beliefs on why people don't care about the $700 billion getting pumped into the stock market. But before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at Rios_Financial. I have it up here just in case you guys do not know how to spell it. I know I struggled a couple times before. So please follow me on Instagram. I post daily. I post stuff about the stock market or just financial advice, just stuff like that, random things. I post daily, so follow me on Instagram. Let's get started now. Reason number one is because the investors want a cure or a vaccine to get provided. They do not care about how much money is getting pumped into the market, because that's just like fake money getting pumped into the market. This is not money coming in from investors or people that just want to invest. This is just money getting pumped into the market to be sustainable. And investors are starting to realize this. It's just that they want something that will give confidence back to a regular person or a regular consumer to go out there and spend money, to go out there with the families to the restaurant, get a dinner in, go to the movie theaters, go travel, go to the airport, use the airports, use the airlines, restaurants, you guys can name it, a cruise. So by not providing a cure or a vaccine, it's just nothing got changed. The illness is still out there and it's still spreading rapidly. And by the Fed pumping $700 billion, was it supposed to like tell the people like, okay, like there's money out there, so now go out there and spend money? It doesn't work like that. So this is why people don't get why the Fed is just pumping in money into the market, and like it doesn't help the regular person. So that's reason number one. Reason number two is just like how I just mentioned a couple seconds ago. Them pumping in $700 billion into the market doesn't help the normal person. What I mean by this is that if you work at a restaurant, at an airport, for a cruise line, something like that, right now they're not getting money coming in because they don't want to travel, because they're afraid. They do not want to use a cruise line because that's where it started spreading rapidly. So, and then if you work at a restaurant, restaurants are just dead right now. If you guys go to Buffalo Wild Wings or restaurants like that, they're dead right now. So these people will probably just shut down, and then people will only get paid for 2 weeks. After that, they won't get paid. And if they don't get paid, that means they won't spend money. And they don't spend money, that means the economy is not doing as well, because they're not receiving money and they're not spending money. So this will cause a financial crisis, something I'll talk about later on in the video. So this is why like them pumping in $700 billion doesn't help the normal person. I think it was better off by them just giving households just money to go out there and spend, and hopefully they spent more money than they just gave, just because that'll give confidence to the consumer and be like, okay, I'm gonna go out there and buy this, and they'll eventually spend part of their own money and the economy will get back to normal. But them spending all this money doesn't help the normal person, and I'll keep providing some reasons why. Reason number three is by them pumping in all this money, they have pumped over $1 trillion this year. By them pumping in $1 trillion, it just decreases the value of the dollar. And if you guys don't believe me, go on Google, type in dollar value decrease. It will show a graph. It's basically like up here, and it's just like slowly just starting to go down. It'll eventually hit zero, just because them pumping in fake money, that means more money out there means less value it holds. Less money out there means more value it holds. Just like gold, diamonds, and stuff like that. The dollar value is the same thing. So if you guys go out there and look for the chart, you just see the graph just going down, going down. This is why inflation is very important and why you should start investing, because inflation is just going up and up. This is why there's more homeless out there and stuff like that. So them pumping in all this money, the dollar value is decreasing. Investors don't like that. Normal people don't like that. That's why the stock market went down over $3,000 today as well. Reason number four is just them pumping out all this money, again, doesn't give the consumer confidence to go out there and spend. If you guys go out there to the airport, they're dead. You guys go out there to the restaurants, they're dead. The Regal theaters just closed all their theaters across America. Why? Because people are not going. They don't want to spread the virus. Consumer is not confident enough to go out there and spend money because they don't know if they're going to keep their jobs in the incoming weeks. So this is why it sucks. This is why GM just recently offered 0% interest for 84 months. This is like unheard of, just because they just want people to just buy cars, because car sales are going down right now because people don't want to spend money. So 0 interest for 84 months will eventually help some people that were thinking about buying a GM car. But still, this won't help the normal person go out there and spend money, just because they don't know if they're going to keep their jobs, or they don't know what's next, a recession, a heavy recession. So we do not know what's next for us. This is why people are just offering 0% interest. This is why the Fed cut rates as well to 0, which was another dumb move in my opinion. But we'll just wait and see what happens. Another reason is because no cure, no vaccine just means people are staying home. Once again, people stay home, they don't spend money. If you don't spend money, the economy sucks. No people traveling, no people going out there and spending money to on hotels. Although like MGM Resorts just closing all the resorts in Vegas. Anything owned by MGM is closed right now. They're getting their refunds back. So this is why people are just staying home. They're not spending money unless it's on groceries or toilet paper, if you guys haven't noticed. So this is why the cure or no vaccine is why it's a big thing right now, because that will give the customer confidence to go out there and spend money again. My last thing is just, once again, if no money is getting spent, people, it's a big topic. I've just been talking about this over and over again throughout the video. If no money is getting spent out there, it will cause a financial crisis. This is what lead us to a recession coming up. We don't know how long it will last. I don't think it will last too much, but if there's no cure or no vaccine for this illness spreading, it doesn't help if you pump 800 billion, 700 billion, 900 billion, $1 trillion. People don't care about that. What people care about right now is just a vaccine or a cure to stop the spreading and give the consumer confidence to go out there and spend money, and everything will go back to normal. By them pumping in all this money, doesn't help nobody. It doesn't help the normal person out there, the middle class, the lower classes. It just helps the people who just want to invest. So this is why it's an important topic you guys should know about. But if you guys like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at reels_financial. You guys have a wonderful day.